Hello, how are you doing? In this video, we're going to learn about Arabic pronouns. So let's begin. There are three types of pronouns. The first one is the speaker pronouns, ضمائر المتكلم. We use these pronouns when we talk about ourselves. For an example, أنا, أنا, which means I. نحن, نحن, which means we. So, أنا and نحن, they are speaker pronouns. The second type is second person pronouns, ضمائر المخاطب. We use these pronouns when we talk to other people. For an example, أنت, أنت. We use this pronoun when we talk to one person who is male. أنتِ, أنتِ. We use this pronoun when we talk to one person who is female. أنتما, أنتما. We use this pronoun when we talk to two people, either male or female. أنتم, أنتم. We use this pronoun when we talk to a group of boys. أنتن, أنتن. We use this pronoun when we talk to a group of girls. Notice that we use you in English to refer to all of them. So, أنت, أنتِ, أنتما, أنتم, أنتن are second person pronouns. Now, let's talk about the third type of pronouns, which is absent pronouns, ضمائر الغائب. We use these pronouns when we talk about absent people. For an example, هو, هو, which means he. هي, هي, which means she. هما, هما. We use this pronoun when we refer to two boys or two girls. هم, هم. We use this pronoun when we refer to a group of boys. هن, هن. We use this pronoun when we refer to a group of girls. Notice that we use they in English to refer to these three pronouns, هما, هم, and هن. So, هو, هي, هما, هم, هن, they are absent pronouns. So, we said there are three types of pronouns. The speaker pronouns, ضمائر المتكلم, أنا and نحن. Second person pronouns, ضمائر المخاطب, أنت, أنتِ, أنتما, أنتم, أنتن. And the third type is absent pronouns, ضمائر الغائب, هو, هي, هما, هم, and هن. So here we have finished our lesson. I hope you like the video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.